everyone, this is Isha here from Isha's Crafty Side, and today I've got a card tutorial for you. So I'm gonna do a start to finish video of a card, and the card today I'm gonna make is a birthday card. Okay, so let's quickly start with the card. For the card base, I have a white cardstock. I'm gonna take this as a base, and this measures 4¼ by 5½. That means I have taken, and I'm sorry for the shaking, that means I have taken 11 by 8½ cardstock. See, 8½ by 11 cardstock, and then I have folded this into half as a card. Okay, and on that I'm gonna do layers of other cardstock. So for the first layer, I'm gonna take a pink cardstock that measures 4 inches by 5¼ inches. So this will be the first layer, and I'm gonna lay it down this way. Okay, and the next layer, which is gonna go, which would be the top layer, measures 3¾ of an inch by 5 inch. That means each of the layer are 1/4 inch smaller than the base. I think that makes, if that makes a sense, I mean, if you can get that. Okay, so first of all, we will just layer the top layer, I mean the first layer. So on the base, I mean the top layer, I have drawn a rectangle that is 1 inch smaller. I mean, from all the 4 sides, it's 1 inch smaller than the original. I suppose if you can see the lines, the pencil marks. So I've made the marks, and I'm gonna use my paper trimmer to do a very perfect cut. Okay. Guys, so our base is ready, and now I'm gonna start with the embellishment part. So for that, I'm gonna use the this ribbon. Okay, and I'm gonna stick this ribbon with my hot glue gun on the sides, and this is the main part I'm thinking to do, so I'll be starting it with this so that I'll end over here. Okay, so paper flowers I have made. I hope you can see that, and I'm gonna show you how I make it very quickly. For that I have taken cardstock and I have drawn the circle on it. I'll show you the two ways. This is around I think it's just an inch of a circle. Yes, it's a 1 inch circle. Okay, so I'll just cut this off. I'll just roughly show you. You need to draw. I'm just drawing it. You just need to cut that way. Okay, you have to go this way around. Okay, so this is the way you can draw if you cannot cut it. Actually I can do it now. I'm like used to it, so I just don't draw it. But if you're doing it for the first time, you should draw this way. You should go eccentrically inwards. Okay, and then start cutting it. Okay, so that you get a coil like this. And now I'll take a paper quilling tool. It's a slitted tool. If you don't have this tool, you can use your normal tweezers also. Okay, so we'll just slide this through the slit this way. I'll bring it up to the end, the tail, and then I'll just roll it. Okay, once I reach the center, I just take this off and let the quill open this way till the desired size of the rose I want, desired what do you call, how tight the quill you want, how loose the quill you want, as you like it. And then apply the glue at the bottom this way, at the bottom side. Okay, I like to use hot glue because again it's a quick, very quick drying glue. So that's a bit more, but I told you my hot glue gun is leaking badly, so yeah. And there you get a rose. Okay, this is the straight edge one. Okay, for this what do you call, card, I'm gonna use a wavy one. I mean the wavy edge one. So for that, again I'll show you how do I do it. Again I have the pair of scissors, the designer pair scissors. So I'm gonna cut, and this time I'll just cut the circle that way. I mean without drawing, because I'm used to that way. Okay, so if you can't, you can just draw it the round lines which goes inwards. This distance, you know, it I mean the height of the flower this way. If you see, the height of this flower depends on the distance or how much thickness of this cut you do, you know. So if you want a very short flower, you can do a very closer cut. If you want a thicker flower, a bigger height flower, you can do a larger distance. Okay, so once I've got this edge, again the same way I will just take up the tail in my quilling tool, and I will have already prepared my flowers. So now I'll just get all the flowers. Okay. I'll just load my glue gun. See, I'm gonna just work out the placement of the flowers, how I want them to be. Which I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use some on the flower centers. And also on the flower tops. I'm just adding it roughly so that it will give a, when it dries off, it will give a shimmer to the flowers. Okay, so yeah, and I'll use the green glitter glue for the leaves inside, and here too, and for the leaves outside, just roughly I'm gonna squeeze it up. fingers I'm gonna spread the glue. Okay, so I think, yeah, that's nice. And to just finish up the whole card, I just wanted the top to be a bit glittery, so I'm gonna roughly squeeze the glue down on the black cardstock, and with my fingers I'm gonna spread it. I'll just break them. Just want the single rhinestones. I'll put one there and one here. Yeah, my little daughter is here. Say hi, Shravya. Shravya, say hi. Hi, Kay, hi. Say hi. You wanna say hi? You wanna come up? Okay. So guys, that's it. This is my tutorial. I'm sorry. So guys, that's my tutorial. Hope you like this. You could also decorate the inside of the car, but for me this sounds good, so I'm gonna stop here. And that also, my daughter is here, so she's not gonna let me do it more, so I'm sorry. Okay, see you all later. Bye bye, take care.